What's this bandit doing? Get in there, bye. Alright, straight sideways. I'm telling you, she's slicker than a Rick out here. Especially when you got 410 gears and 600 horsepower. Oh yeah, link up there, boy. We'll just drive sideways up the freaking road. Just go sideways right up the street here. If we don't slide into traffic coming down this hill, you owe me 50 bucks. First real blizzard of 2021. Let's do a little brake check here. Oh yeah. Oh, she slides about 100 yards when you're doing 50 kilometers an hour. Let's see if we can brake check into traffic at the bottom of this hill. Maybe get hit by a real snowplow truck. I usually don't stop at this stop sign, but today there's traffic. Yeah, they see us, we're here. Plow boys are back. This is where I try not to get back, run into traffic. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Just clean this up really quick because we know it's the middle of it's the middle of a god darn snowstorm anyways, but we got to clean this up a little. Keep these trucks coming in and out of here. You'd be amazed how many trucks are coming in and out of here all the time. Just gonna come around that corner to U-Haul. Just gonna get sent back to California with the thing. Because this Ram don't freaking stop for nothing.
Situation, we are closing both dining.
That there car ran into the arse end of that there truck. Idiot. And all that was going through my mind at this very moment was that this guy must be about as bright as a broken brake light inside of a dark room in a cave's basement. Come back, turkeys. I plow this church for free. Ever since I met my wife on christianmingle.com, I've been plowing this church for free. Oh yeah. Look at the size of these snowbanks. That's taller than the truck. The truck's got to be about 9 feet off the ground. Well, you can probably tell by the fine finesse of how I wheel this truck that I'm a third generation plow boy. So I'm not even going to mention it, not once, not even this time.
Thank you for choosing KFC. We'd like to hear from you. Please visit KFC.
Now I take this really seriously. I take really good care of the equipment. I'm nice and gentle with everything. And I would never do anything silly. This thing's built really well, it holds up nice. It's not like I'm replacing ball joints or U-joints every year. I hate working on the thing, I hate fixing it. It seems like every time I gotta fix it, it's 3:30 in the morning and we're laying in a goddamn snowbank. Yeah, and you can tell that I'm always really light on the throttle. Tried to keep my average liters per 100 kilometers down into a manageable level. Oh yeah, there we go. Woo! Brake checking the friggin' oncoming traffic there. That's okay, it's only a GMC truck. This Ram would have made light work of them. So I guess there's no real point to everything I've been saying. But if you know the rules, you can break them. And the first thing we learned was the rules, because we like breaking stuff. Make sure you give us a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more. Till next time.